Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming. Crunch. Played Ratchet in the last episode. We beat the Gimlick base and pretty much drove Captain Quark to another planet where he is pretty much stuck there. So, that's hopefully the last we'll be seeing of him. But, in this episode we're going to Quarter City Ruins to see if we can find survivors and help the city. So, I will meet you guys there.
Clank? Clank? Come on, wake up!
Captain Quark?
No, goofball. It's me, Ratchet.
What happened?
You got toasted by lightning. This place is having one heck of a storm. You won't be safe out there. I'll be right back.
Alright, so, the main gimmick of this area is we do not have Clank. So we will be going through this whole thing Clankless, and we're going to see what we can do. So, let's stop at the Gadgetron vendor first, and we can finally get that, and oh, I like that weapon. We can't use it yet. We can't get it yet. So we're going to get the Visibomb gun, and we'll worry about that one later. Yeah, the Visibomb gun's pretty cool. I'm just going to stick with my trusty blaster, and let's see. I think there's only one way we can go starting out. Yeah, let's take the taxi to the upper city. Yeah, so on the way there, we got that awesome new ship last time as well. And wow, that really did not take that long. Alright. Alright, let's try not to get seen by him. Alright, cool. Don't know how we managed that, though. Suck cannon. Clank gets zapped immediately after getting out of the ship. How is it then that these robots are not getting zapped either? Alright, so let's get the hook shot our way up here, and beat up all the things. I love Team 4-Star. They're actually the ones that got me into Dragon Ball Z. So, in the very, very off chance that they are watching this, I just want to say thank you to them for all the fun you've shown me through Dragon Ball Z. I never would have experienced it without you guys, and yeah, thank you so much. I wish I could do a lot more to pay you, but there's only so much I can do. Yeah. Let's see. Let's go through here. Yeah. Multiple different ways you can go through this place, or multiple different ways that you can dodge those cops. And, alright, I'm trying to think. Topics. Oh, perhaps I could talk about superheroes, since that's the thing I want to get into. yeah, so, in regards to that, I used to have a comic book channel. It used to be just for discussing my comic book ideas as well as comic book characters and stuff like that I wanted to talk about. The channel never really went anywhere, and I don't think I'm going to be doing that much with the channel anymore. Because that channel was kind of doomed from the start. Here, actually, I'll show off the visit bomb gun. And look, you can tell that we're getting closer to the end because, including that one, we only have 2 more guns left. So, let's equip the visit bomb gun. And it's a remote control guided missile. Dang it, I missed. Oh my god. Cool. Alright, that works. And you guys went back online. Or was it that you guys went online whenever that thing got destroyed? Okay. So, what is this?
Sweet!
Congratulations. You just found a gap.
The Morpho Ray. I wonder, is that a gadget, or is that a... Wow, we actually have most of this. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm adding this to the quick select, because if it's one thing I love in Ratchet and Clank games, it's anything having to do with a morphing thing. Mainly because it's so much fun to have the this bomb, you can go there. Yeah, it's just so much fun to have a gun that can turn things into other things. And they changed what they can turn into in other games. Yeah, some of them are really cool, and I like them. Check the time. Okay, I got time. Yeah, let's go on this Magna rail. Oh man. Okay, I'm getting vertigo. Anyway, in regards to superheroes, the question I get asked most often is, or kind of, is, who is your favorite superhero? In my humble opinion, my favorite superhero is, funnily enough, Green Lantern. I mainly like Green Lantern because he has the ability to create anything he can imagine. And being someone with an overactive imagination like myself, I find that extremely, I find that to be so much fun. Sorry about that. Alright. Alrighty, cool. Just keep moving. I think that you can only see these things like as soon as you move in front of them. Because I really like to see these way beforehand, so that way I can dodge them. But like that one wasn't too bad. Let's see here. Okay, so nope. almost like that scene from Star Wars Episode 2, when they were going through the power couplings or something like that. In the speeder when they're chasing after the guy or the changeling working for Boba Fett. Oh my god. Or Jango Fett. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we're back. But yeah, Green Lantern's my favorite superhero. If you ask me which Green Lantern's my favorite, I actually say Kyle Rayner is my favorite, and then Alan Scott, then Hal Jordan, and then John Stewart, and then and then Guy Gardner. I liked him best as the Red Lantern because I felt that was a good fit for him. Guy Gardner, I don't think is anybody's favorite Green Lantern, mainly because he was just he was the Jason Todd of the Green Lanterns. Like, he was there, and nobody really liked him that much. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love Red Hood, but in terms of a Robin, Jason Todd was not that good. Wish he was better, but yeah. Oh, come on, hit him. Alrighty, here we are.
Captain Quark!
Where?
Come on, Quark, I know it's you.
The name's Steve. Pleased to meet you.
Look, Steve, I need to know where Drek is before it's too late.
Did you say too late? Sir, it is never too late to acquire the latest in the long line of quality products from Gadgetron. I have for you, today only, the Gadgetron PDA.
Public display of affection?
No, personal delivery assistant. This device allows you to purchase ammunition wherever and whenever you want it.
Yeah? How do I know it works?
You can always trust Gadgetron quality, or my name's not Steve. Thank you, and have a quark-tastic day.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
So, the Gadgetron PDA kinda sucks. Now, the good thing about it is it will allow you to get pretty much all of your... Yeah, okay, whatever. Yeah, it'll pretty much allow you to get everything you need, your ammo and stuff like that, at the... Yeah, allow you to get your ammo and stuff, but it charges the prices a lot more, a lot higher than they would be on a regular Gadgetron vendor. So, yeah, it's good if you're in a pinch and you really don't need your money for anything else, but considering we need to buy some stuff, we... Alrighty, there we go. But I think we're going to end it off here. So next time on Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we will be finishing up the Gorda City Ruins and seeing what that last question mark has in store for us. So, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and you have a quark-tastic day, I guess.